We've reached the 14th day of our smoothie challenge. Congratulations! Woo! Today we are going to do a chocolate smoothie with the last Smoothie Bomb challenge, and we're going to make this pretty special. We're going to put some passion fruit, some mango, some strawberry and some oat milk. I hope you guys have really been enjoying this. I have. Let's put this in here. Mango, fresh strawberries. Oh, let's put that lovely, the passion fruit's just going to give it that extra little bit of like tanginess. Just add that there. Okay, and add some milk. Smoothie Bomb, or raw cacao, which actually means real chocolate. Let's open this up. Just going to crumble it in there. There we go. And because the chocolate doesn't have dried fruit, it will crumble into small pieces. That's the way. And there you have it. Let's put the lid on and let's go. And there we have it, the last smoothie of our smoothie challenge. Congratulations, we've made it to day 14. High five. We are so proud of you and we hope that you got a lot out of it. I know that I've really been enjoying it and I would love to do more of it, so let us know what you think and stay tuned, there'll be more to come.